In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your recipes and grocery list with the ultimate meal planning Notion template. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just getting started with meal planning, having a streamlined system can make all the difference. And Notion provides a flexible platform for exactly that. To kick things off, head over to your connected workspace for Notion. If you're not familiar, Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can write, plan, and get organized. It's particularly handy for managing your recipes and meal plans with its customizable database feature. Once you're on the Notion website, the next step is to log in. You can find the Login button on the upper right-hand corner of the homepage. Click that, and you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, Notion does offer a quick sign-up process, enabling you to explore its features in no time. After logging in, navigate to the Notion home. This is the central hub of your Notion experience, where all of your pages and workspaces reside. Familiarizing yourself with how to maneuver this area will help you efficiently locate and manage your meal planning resources. Once on your Notion home, you'll want to explore the Marketplace. The Marketplace is a treasure trove of templates, created both by the Notion team and its community, offering resources for all kinds of organizational needs. Click on Marketplace to access a wide variety of pre-designed setups that can simplify your task. In the search bar within the Marketplace, type in recipe or grocery to begin filtering the templates relevant to meal planning. This will bring up a host of options specifically designed for organizing recipes, planning meals, or even structuring your grocery list. The search results can range from simple tables to complex databases, so take a moment to think about what kind of structure best supports your needs. Once you've identified a template that resonates with your style, select it to dive deeper. By clicking on a template, you can see a preview of how it functions and integrates with your current workflow. Pay attention to any descriptions or user reviews that accompany the template. These can offer insights into how others have found it useful, or any customization tips you might want to consider. After selecting your desired template, it's ready to be integrated into your workspace, allowing you to tailor the content based on your specific preferences. You can fill it with your own recipes, categorize meal types, schedule meal plans, and construct your grocery list within this singular organized platform. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to utilizing the ultimate meal planning Notion template to streamline your recipe organization and grocery planning. With these tools, your meal planning process can be more efficient and enjoyable. Happy planning, and here's to beautifully organized meals.